Hi Linda.
Hello, Andrew. I heard you are on a robot project. How's it going?
Well, I've done one prototype.
Wow, that's great. But it looks like something is bothering you? What is it?
You know, I'm willing to mass product it. However, I've lost my money for one prototype. I will never be able to create another one.
So you are going to sell it as product. But you don't have money to start producing it.
Yes, that is the situation.
Okay. Have you heard about Campus Ventura?
No, what is it?
It's a place where students like you get money to start an entrepreneur project. I think you should try it.
Wow, that's great. But how does it work? How can I get the money?
First you have to register at campusventura.com. Then you make a video about your project and showcase it at the website, so people can see it and donate their money to support the project.
Amazing. But what do people get in return?
Well, it's up to you. You can specify certain rewards for people who donate certain amount of money. Good reward will attract more people, which means more money.
I get it.
Also, you have to set how much money needed for your project. If the donation surpass the money you set, then you will get the donation. Otherwise, you get nothing.
So it's all or nothing?
Yes. So you have to prepare your strategy well to succeed the fundraising.
Gee, thanks for the awesome information. I'd better check out campusventura.com now.